In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add an employee to a location. To do that, you do have to be logged in under your enterprise. If you don't have enterprise permission, you cannot do this. To assign an employee, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected, then click on Employees. And from your list of employees, choose the one you would like to add to a location. Then go to your new top menu bar and click on Deployments and choose Locations. Now you can assign, edit, or remove this employee from any location. From here, you can edit the location's information if you would like. Let's say I want to edit after hours. I can click on after hours and decide if I want this location to be the employee's default, if I want this to be editable, if I want to allow the employee to swap. I could enter in a distance, a preference. Let's say this is where I really want the employee to be assigned. Then I will click this arrow and go all the way up to 9 to mark this as the favorite. I could enter in the employee's pay rate for this location. Let's say 10. I could enter or change the employee's hire date and their termination date. If I don't want to save these changes, I can choose close. I do, so I will click save. And now those changes have been saved. If you want to add this employee to a second location, click the Add button and choose another location from your menu. I'll add them to the burrito shop. If you don't want to do this, click Close. I do, so I will choose Add. And now that employee has been added to a second location. Notice that the burrito shop is not marked as default. That's because you can only have one default location. But the burrito shop is editable. It does allow the employee to swap. Its preference is automatically 1. The employee is also given the same pay rate and hire date. If I wanted to make those different, I could click on the burrito shop and adjust any of that information. At the bottom of your chart is a green added bar letting you know when that location was added and when this page was last saved. If you want to remove the employee from a location, say that they're not working at the burrito shop anymore, you can click the box next to that location, choose Remove. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to do that. If you don't, choose Cancel. I do, so I'm going to click OK. And now that employee has been removed from that location. That's how you can add and remove and edit an employee at a location. Check out the next video to learn how to assign and remove an employee from a station.